Hello, friends. I hope you're all doing well and feeling great. In this video, I'm going to show you how easily you can create a bootable USB drive using a tool like Rufus, so stay with me until the end of the video. If you enjoy this type of content, make sure to subscribe to my channel. And to support me, thumbs up this video and share it with your friends. First, connect your USB flash drive to your computer. Run the Rufus program. If you don't have it, you can easily download it. Open your browser and search for Rufus. Click on the official link and download version 4.6. Once the download is complete, run the program. In here you will see your flash disk details. From here select disk or ISO image. And from here select your ISO file. Here, I'm selecting this version of Windows from my computer. The program will perform a quick scan. Then in here set the file system to NTFS. Finally, click the Start button. After clicking Start, in here make sure to mark all these 4 options and click OK. Again OK. The process will begin, and after a few minutes your USB flash drive will be made bootable. And finally, click on the Close button and remove your USB flash drive from your computer. Now, you can use this USB to install Windows on your computer. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Goodbye.